I'm going to demonstrate how to use JLG Digital, a new subscription that we have. If you click on Follett and then go to the library catalog page, you're going to scroll down to ebook pleasure reading, although you can also get it from library links and our subscriptions. You click on JLG eBooks and Audiobooks, and that'll take you to JLG Digital. You're automatically signed into the high school bookshelf, but you're going to sign into your account using your district username and password. If for some reason you are not listed here, just contact me through Schoology and I will take care of that for you. And as you can see while this is loading, there is an app for iOS. There is not currently an app for Android, but I think that might be in the works. I'm not sure. You can see here under recently read, anything that you have opened in the past, it shows up here, and you can go right back to any bookmarks that you have by opening the book. And then once the book is open, I'm sorry for the delay, our network's pretty slow today. And then if you click on this and go to bookmarks, it'll take you right to the location where your bookmark is. And to close your book, you just click on the X for that tab and then go back to the list of your stream. So if you click on stream, that'll show you all of the books that are available. It tells you how many days are remaining for the books that are there. Their books are on the stream for between 60 and 90 days. And new books come at the beginning of each month. So here's one that only has a little less than 2 weeks left. And so you want to take that into consideration when you choose a book to make sure that you're going to have enough time to read it. There are both ebooks that say read and audiobooks that say play. So that's how you can tell the difference between an audiobook and an ebook. And all you have to do is click on the cover or the read button. When you do that, it'll tell you the number of pages. It will tell you a rating from other readers. There's a short description of the book, and to open it, you click read. And that'll open up the book. And to page through the book, you just click on the next arrow. These books are unlimited access, so everybody in the school could be reading the same book at the same time. You are able to highlight text. You're able to add sticky notes. So if you have a teacher that wants you to do annotating of the text, you can do that here as well. And save that. And all of your notes are then savable, and you can export them later if needed. And again, when you're finished with a book or you want to close it, to get back to it, add your bookmark so that you have it. And to close the book, you just close the tab, and then that book will appear in your stream of recently read. If you have any questions, you can message me through Schoology. And again, if you are not in the system because you're a new student, all you have to do is message me. Thanks.